Mas maganda yung isa doon.
Oo.
Mas maganda yung isa doon. Dito lang, marami lang mga puno. Parang Jensen nga sa feeling ko eh. Ayan ka na naman eh.
Nakakabot lang eh. Basta no.
Dami oh. So welcome to Greenwich guys. Ito part na to na dito part dito ng Greenwich, pero yung London proper is nandoon pa. So dati nung si Seabourn Pride kami, dumidiretso kami doon. Tapos sa may Tower Bridge, yung kinakanta nila ng London Bridge is falling down. Pag dumadaan kami doon, nagbubuka yung bridge, tapos lulusot kami doon. Tapos doon kami nagdadak sa may warship, yung Belfast, HMS Belfast. So ngayon dito lang kami sa may bungad, sa may Greenwich Park. Tingnan nyo na ang ganda ng ano, di ba? I mean yung London nandun na eh. Nandun lang. Part na ito, River Thames ito. Right? So grabe kainit. Nasa 38 degrees yata. Grabe no, kainit.
Sabi malamig sa UK.
Mas malamig pa sa Jensen eh. Hindi, dati doon tayo nagdadak sa after nung Tower Bridge. Doon lang naman. Kasi palatandaan ko yan yung building na yun, no? Parang itlog. Yan. That was 10 years ago pa. Huli kong punta dito. Yan. Grabe kainit guys. So ito yung London, UK. Mamaya lalabas tayo. Gagala ko kayo mamaya. Grabe kainit lang talaga. Magsando na lang kaya ako mamaya. Pag lumabas ka pala ito, dapat nakasando ka lang.
Chinilas. Short.
Saka chinilas.
Boxer.
Shorts. Yan. Pwes na pwes. Yan. London. Bridge is falling down. Yes. Welcome to London. So, ito na yung clipper boat dito. We call it clipper boat, right? Yeah, Uber. Uber, ito pala oh. Ito yung Uber dito. Guys, welcome to London. Marunong kayo sila mag-English dito? Sun Clipper. Guys, they speak English here? They speak English? Ha? Okay, thank you. Good. So ito yung Clipper boat. Dito tayo, front seat tayo. Diba? Yes. I love my job. I love my job, guys. Alright, and I love Seabourn as well. Oh, si HR. Oh, si senior nurse. Hi, Mike. Hi, Mike. Yeah.
Oh, fancy. So fancy.
Yan yung suite na 2-story. Isang suite lang siya, pero ganda na. Grabing humid. Parang nasa Pilipinas lang. Sobra. Possible to ask them if they speak English here?
Okay, I'll try.
Yes,
try.
please.
Not sure.
Alright.
Get lucky.
My friend, they speak English here?
Yes, I believe English and Tagalog. Mostly Tagalog.
I love your performance with regards to the Philippine national
Yes.
Plenty. There's a lot of views, man. I posted it.
Oh.
The finest city in the world.
Greenwich Pier. Saan yung pizza? Greenwich. Ito yung tama. Oh. Greenwich Pizza. Di ba? Dito pala nag-originate. Wow. Ano tong building na to? Maritime Greenwich. Ano tong barko? Cathy Sark this way. And Cathy Sark. Ito pala yun. Ito pala yung Cathy Sark. Wow. Ano tong plaza? Tingnan natin. Gates. Alright. Wow. Gelato. Nice place, man. Mainit lang talaga. Grabe.
My friend.
My friend.
I'll see you around.
See you around, ha? Thank you, ha?
Maybe you come
See you
to
na-
Hull. Enjoy the rest of your contract, buddy. See
You
you,
too,
later.
ha?
Bye-bye.
So, dito na ako sa may Maritime Cathy Sark. Diba? Ganda, oh. So, ito yung ano dito sa labas. View. Yan. So, pag nandito ka sa England, hindi pwedeng hindi ka magpa-picture dito sa may iconic na telephone booth. Di ba? Ayan, oh. Oh. Oh, selfie tayo dito sa may iconic na telephone booth. Red telephone booth. Yes. Nantay ko yung aking sundo. Yung barko natin. So ito pala yung famous na Cathy Sark. Fucking shit, ngayon ko lang nakita ng person. Cathy Sark, nakikita ko yung ano, liquor, whiskey. Ano lang yung camera ko dyan, pero hindi ako nakatingin sa kanila. Malayo ako nakatingin. Doon ako nakatingin sa barko namin. Ang maganda lang dito, may internet sila. Not sure kung buong London yung free internet, pero tingin ko ganon. But hindi kayang gawin sa Pilipinas ng ganito, no? Yung hindi mo na kailangan bibili pa ng data sa Globe o ano ba, yung sponsored ng government ba, kasi ano na ba naman to, kaysa naman sa nakukurap lang din ng mga public officials natin, government officials natin. Hindi naman lahat. So, kinukurap lang yung pondo ng bayan, pero dapat mag-i-invest sila sa ganito, mga free internet, kasi information talaga eh. Yun talaga importante sa lahat. Pati yung hospitalization, syempre. Education. Boto nyo ko presidente, guys. Ha?
Yes, I'm aware, yeah.
Alright. Yeah, good. So, you're Dominic, I didn't know.
Yeah, it's Dominic. That's okay, yeah, the guy in the white.
Alright, merci beaucoup.
Quickly, we go have a look at this glass. Sorry.
Yeah. Just let me know where. What's your name? What is your name?
Thanks. Alles. Ini di dalam meeting. Kita ke interview lain.
there, then we go to London. What's the plan?
London. London is what happened. It's like 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours. And traffic, no?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check then.
Like sort of. This is city as well. It's London as well.
My friend, we're a 5-star luxury company.
No. I know. Church, tell them. Look.
So instead na salmon sa sashimi, iro yung kanilang sushi. Iro. Sarap siguro yun. So there's no possible that we can go to Tower Bridge according to my friend here.
Unfortunately, sorry, buddy, but
It's okay, my friend. And thanks for this coconut
no problem.
water.
My pleasure.
Alright?
Hello, guys. This gentleman, he's very nice guy. So please do give us support, like him and share, and of course, subscribe as well.
Pinoy Seaman Wondering.
Pinoy Seaman Wondering.
Alright?
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. So let's go back to the ship.
Did you buy something? That whiskey shop again? Trustco?
Nah, it's okay. Go back to the ship.
It's most what a whiskey.
Going to Kirkwall. I forgot the other. Edinburgh.
Tell you, I didn't know you love it.
Yeah, I've been there many times also.
You're gonna love it. Mountains and all that stuff.
Fresh seafood.
Absolutely. It's a-
So this is the iconic
That's London, yes. It's a double deck.
double deck bus.
One is to one, yeah?
Yeah, because you know this is the luxury ship.
Absolutely.
It's not like a big ship which is fun ships, you know.
Yeah.
The guests are paying $1,000 a day per person per day. So average. Double decker bus, Buffalo Grill. All right. There we go. We're here.
Yeah.
We're back here. Without. Which one you recommend?
Oh, there is.
So palpak yung plano. Kasi ang gusto ko pupunta ng London talaga. Pero 1.5 hours daw eh. Kaya dahil sa traffic daw. So dito lang tayo sa Greenwich. Grabe yung temperature dito. Weather talagang init oh. Kasi 38 to 40 degrees. Ano to? Old Royal Naval Center. So, balik na lang tayo ng barko. Init, grabe. It feels like I'm in the Philippines right now.
You'll be like in Philippines, eh?
Yeah.
Yo le hice el pasaporte para la identidad.
Lo tengo acá.
All right, muchas gracias. Right. Ganito yung sitwasyon.
Glasgow folks, I'd like to thank you all very much for listening to me as we have come up the river today. It's been lovely talking to you all, so thanks for your kind attention. And if I may just mention a brief word about the commentary guide. As we say at the start, it's at France and Talks Venue within the South Main Centre. Officially opened on 3rd of May 1951. The hall was built as a part of the Festival of Britain for the London County Council. Iconic figures like Frank Sinatra, David Bowie,